The Nigerian society is full of tales and beliefs passed down from generation to generation. Although stories like this, also known as myths and folk tales, were usually not meant to mislead. But today, with the help of fact-checking, myths have been identified as wings with which fake news fly around the society. My name is Sonny Lateef, a researcher with Dubawa, Nigeria. An example of this myth is the consumption of coconut triggers cough, and I'm sure a lot of you must have heard and believe this too. Well, I'm here to shock you. It doesn't. The claim has been in our society for a long time, but for the sake of this fact check, it was tweeted in 2014 and resurfaced in 2020. Dubawa consulted a homeopathist and a pulmonologist. They both said the claim is false. He also reached out to a medical doctor in Ibadan, Mr. Oluwasegun Ige, who said cough is usually caused by infections and air pollution. For these reasons, the claim that says the consumption of coconut triggers cough is false. This fact check also contains the nutritional benefits of coconuts, which can be found on our website at www.dubawa.org.